Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claire and this is The Veg Plot Thickens. Got a few jobs to do today because we are actually due some light frosts over the next few days and potentially some snow tomorrow. So I'm going to start by planting a red currant and white currant in the fruit cage. It's only 5 degrees, so I'm back in a woolly hat. I bought these from the local garden centre and I think they will just finish off the fruit cage nicely. Better get cracking. I'm going to go in this bed here, on this side and on the other. I'm going to move this one last strawberry, well, it's not the one last strawberry, I'm just going to move this strawberry over a bit as well. They can go on the edges. There's another little bit of one there. I'll do that shortly. Right, I'm just going to take it out of the pot and check the size of the hole against the pot. That looks good. Looks good. It's a non-windy day, so a bit of blood, fish and bone doesn't look like it would be a particularly dodgy exercise. Put a little bit of the soil back on top. And here it is. This variety of red currant is, well, it doesn't say. It just says red currant. And just backfill. Heel it in. Shows you how soft the ground is when I start healing. Had a lot of rain yesterday again. Not impressed with that. This one does have a name on it. This one says it is white Versailles or Versailles. Not sure how you pronounce that. So I'm going to put this one this side of the cherry tree. I didn't put the compost in very deep on this bed when I did it because I had no idea that I would so quickly change my mind from it being a strawberry bed to something else. So kind of caused my own problems there. That looks okay. Just get the fish blood and bone. A little bit of the soil on top of it. Oh dear, these have been watered as well. Very dry in the garden centre. Backfill. Tread it down. I think the last thing to do for this one, I just need to take this tag off so the branches can breathe. I'm not sure how many times I'm going to say that that completes the fruit cage, but I think in this instance it probably really does. I think so. Maybe not. We'll see. We'll see. This cherry tree has only been in for a week or so. You saw it on the last video. It's got buds on it already. I'm excited about that. At least that's surviving the winter so far. Maybe I will get some blossom and some cherries this year. That'd be lovely. Next job is doing the pots on the side of this bench. All I've bought to put each side of here at the moment are 2 very small skimmiers. Now I couldn't find a square pot that fitted the hole as well as I wanted to, so I've just bought these big plant pots, and I'm going to put some bricks at the bottom so that they stand up higher, because at the moment they're sitting too low down. I'm going to find the bricks, then find the compost. Not sure where I'll find bricks, but surely somewhere on the farm I'll find some dumped. I nearly got myself into trouble. I was looking at this pile of spare but new bricks here, and then, bear with me while I spin the camera around slowly, I then saw that there's this rubble pile behind me with plenty of whole bricks on it. I will take some to put obviously underneath them, but I'm going to use a bit of the rubble to just put in the bottom of the tubs to help with drainage. I think that will do. 2 bricks to go under each pot. That's what I think. This is my little grow station outside the front door that has bags of compost ready to take in the house. So I'm going to fill them with the compost that I've already got open. Right. Just put the bricks in first. This one. And then see how the pot sits on top. I think that'll be fine there. 1 brick. 2nd brick. Put them in the middle. I now have 2 beautiful plants each side of me. Skimmiers smell absolutely divine. Quite pleased with that. Little focal point. And finally today, I'm going to muck out the horses. Normally I don't use horse manure in my compost because I'm worried about weed seeds. Cows have 4 stomachs and they ferment their food, so I think they kill weed seeds naturally in their digestive tract. Horses are more like us, so they don't do that. But they're grazing in a field over winter that has no weeds growing in it at the moment. It's the wrong time of year, so I'm going to chance it and I'm going to muck them out. They were in for the farrier last night, and I'm going to put their manure on the compost heap and see if it gets some heat going into it. It looks like he was pretty clean overnight, actually. Not too bad at all. I'll take some of the wet as well. This is just sawdust. It's a bit of browns mixed in. Oh, there's more poo in here than it looks. He's obviously lay on it and flat packed it in his stable. It doesn't end there. I don't just have 1 horse, I have 3. Oh my word, Tilly, you are the worst. Not perfect, but better than it was. She needs more bedding. That's a job for another day. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, this has gotten heavy by the time I've got round here. We've disturbed quite a few worms. I think I'm just going to get my hands in a bit. very satisfying. Hopefully that will put some heat into it now and it'll rot down really well. Just give it a can of water because especially the wood pellets that turned into sawdust, it's quite dry in the stables. The final job, the second archway over the path. Now it seems the path is slightly wider here because it's just splaying the legs out a bit, but that's okay. I can cope with that. I'm going to backfill it, but Duncan has just gone to get the drill. Well, look at that, it's going dark and one last job done. We now have 2 archways screwed in now and staked in. I'm really happy with them. I'm going to get 2 flat topped arches, I think, and join them together somehow to make a pumpkin archway. But it's not a bad view, is it? Back to the polytunnel through the archways. I'm done for today. I'll catch you in the next video. Look after yourselves. Bye.